Okay, guys, so this is part 4 of Wild Bird. What is it?
Wild Bird Part 4.
Yeah, Wild Bird Part 4. So, as you see, the bird has kind of calmed down. It's on my grandma's shoulder. She's a pirate.
A what?
She's a pirate.
Pero parece que ya está más confortable, ya no le duele, que ya no está llorando.
It's
Como
not
It's
in
much
stress.
more-
It's not as stress as it was
And
earlier.
it's much more comfortable since we kind of put
The Neosporin
Yeah.
looks better. So hopefully it does get better. But there it is. It's relaxing in my mom's shoulder.
ya ahora ya van a estar.
Now we gotta get it to eat some. There are the boys petting it. Be careful.
So close. Facing backwards.
No le hagas, mira, ya está viniendo otro.
Uh-oh. Do not mess with my brain. Words. You know not.
There it is.
Yeah, Brandon, remember?
And that's where I think it's hurt. Brandon earlier on the earlier video said there was a hole. I think that's where the hole is, right there.
Le debe
And
picar y ya se picotear.
hopefully he gets better, flies away, and doesn't die. That's the goal, for it not to die. But it looks less stressed right now. So, good luck, birdie.
There's a way for me to help it. I want to dig for worms.
There's Franco digging for worms.
¿Para qué estar haciendo esta?